and for mitigating the sufferings and deprivations of the erstwhile untouchables. But his concerns and canvas were much wider.
Moving on, the country's largest car maker, Maruti Suzuki India, today said it will recall 13,157 units of its 3 diesel-driven models of Dzire, Swift and Ritz due to a possible faulty engine part. The company said that it will inspect the technical problems in Swift, Dzire, Swift and Ritz cars manufactured between 13th of November and December 4th. 2010. The company said that if the component is found defective, it will be replaced. In fact, they will replace it free of cost. In news coming from Japan, after nearly a month of struggle, Japan has managed to stop highly radioactive water leaking into the sea today from a crippled nuclear plant. Plant operator Tokyo Electric Power said it had stemmed the leak using liquid glass. Engineers had been struggling to stop leaks from reactor number 2, even using sawdust and newspapers. However, the crisis is far from over. There are fears over a possible hydrogen blast following accumulation of gas. Engineers at the plant say they will inject nitrogen gas into the reactor tonight to prevent an explosion. There are, however, concerns over 11.5 million litres of contaminated water being released back into the ocean due to shortage of storage space. Now, the water was used to cool overheated fuel rods. Now, let's do a quick recap of the top stories at this hour. Now let's do the recap of the headlines once again. In fact, before we just roll the headlines, in news just in, retired Air Chief Marshal Dennis Anthony Leffertin, who played a key role in the Indo-Pak wars of 1965 and 1971, died of heart attack today at his residence, and we'll of course keep you updated on that news. And now let's do a quick recap of the top stories we are following at this hour. And now the headlines. Government says it was always